Hey, what is up, everyone? I hope you're having an amazing night. I hope you're feeling good emotionally. And if you're having a bad time, I hope that, you feel a little bit better and just know that you're not alone. None of us are alone. We don't have to go through this without any help or support. Anyways, on to the video. Today, we are going to be going over my feel-good shows. These are like shows that like help me not just like feel good and happy inside, but like they help me on my depression days. They help me get out of that. They give me hope. They make me feel like there's like something good in the world, like things like that. Like, and if you suffer from depression too, like I do, I'm sure that you'll understand. The first show that we're going to talk about is Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Now, this is like a really family-oriented show, and I like it. Like, the special effects are cool. Like, she gets into all these shenanigans, but she always ends up doing the right thing. She reminds you of, like, really what an actual teenage witch would be like. And, like, her doing all going through all these scenarios and teaching us all these, like, life lessons, like, I really like that. Like, I feel like it is, like, that's what I mean. And, and I love the ants, like Zelda and, I can't remember the other ant's name right now. But, I like the ants. They're, like, my favorite, too. Now, on to Touched by an Angel. Now, this is a show that is about two angels, the main one being Monica, going and having assignments with people and experiencing, life through the human lens. And, the angels grow and you experience their feelings as well as other people's feelings. And they have, like, deep life lessons. And I really like shows that have, like, deep life lessons. So, like, that is a really, like, good show if you like, not just family-oriented content, but, like, it really, like, makes your faith and belief in God stronger, because lots of the episodes are kind of, like, arranged like that. Our next one is one of my favorites from when I was a kid. It's called Once Upon a Time. And Once Upon a Time, they're from this enchanted land, and the evil queen casts a curse, and it brings them to our world, where their memories are wiped and everything. And, as soon as, like, the chosen one comes to town and breaks the curse, then, only then, will their memories be restored, and everyone can be with their loved ones again. Like, it's a pretty dramatic but amazing story. The next one we have is Merlin. Now, Merlin is a great show. It's about Merlin in his younger years, and there's other witches that he has to go against, and there's King Arthur, and it's very medieval, which I like. There's a lot of, like, the druids in there, like, a lot of talk like that, and, like, there is some historical references, but, like, obviously, like, the legend of King Arthur and Merlin is a legend, but, like, there is some, like, historical accuracies, I should say, in there. And finally, Wizards of Waverly Heights. This one is one of my childhood favorites. I always felt like I was Alex, 'cause I was always getting into trouble and shit. Um, but yes, I love all the scenarios they get into and like seeing the chaos that magic can like create and like plus Selena Gomez is one of my favorite actresses and singers. Like she's amazing. But yeah, Wizards of Waverly Place has lots of like I love how they blend all these like fantasy characters like into it. Like it's not just that they're like wizards, it's that their like whole realm has all kinds of things. Kind of like in Sabrina. But like in Wizard, like it was done like more hardcore, and I thought that that was like pretty awesome. And the whole storyline is great. I love it towards the ending, and it had a great emotional ending, and I felt like I got like closure. I don't know if that's the right word. Like when I watched it till the end, like I felt like it was the end. Like I didn't feel like there was any cliffhangers, and I really like admire that because I don't really like cliffhangers. I like knowing my story and like seeing it through till the end and having a satisfying ending. But those are my feel-good shows. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing me talk about them. If you enjoyed seeing what any of them are like, I encourage you to check them out. I'm pretty sure every one of the shows I mentioned is on a streaming service, so just check it out, see what streaming service it's on, and you can watch them. I hope they help you guys as much as they helped me, and I hope this video helps anyone who's out there who's depressed or feeling alone or angry. Just know that there are good things out there, and there are fun things to do. And know that there's guys like me out there who care and want you to know that you're not alone.